How to add to cart in Wix. So I am inside the Wix website editor, and from the left hand side we just want to click on add elements, and right here we will simply go to store, which is right above bookings. And if we click on it, then you will see this add to cart button. So right here, if we want to add to cart or add this button, we will simply drag and drop it onto our website. And I'm going to show you how you can set this up. So basically we'll have manage products and settings once you drag and drop it onto your website. If we click on manage products, then this will take us to the products page from our Wix dashboard. So right here, it will show us different example products, and we can also add new products if we want to, and we can also export these. But basically, if we want to set this up, we will click on settings, and you will see this product, connect this button to, and we can choose the products from this drop down menu, for example these glasses here. And we can also change the design, so the button design here, if we play around with it, we can fit it to our needs for the website, and we can also manage the store and manage the products here from this page. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.